Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of Pixel 3, the latest and greatest Android phone made by Google. The box is like wrapped in a plastic film, so let's tear it open and have a glance at the box itself. There are no specifications written on the box, which I find a little weird. If you are interested in the specs, pause the video and just go through them. There are these neat little pull tabs on both the sides of the box, which basically help us with the unboxing experience. Let's pull them apart and open the box to reveal the real deal inside. This is a clear white version of the phone, and let's listen to the sweet sound of plastic. Let me just put it aside for now and let's have a look at what's more in the box. Now, unlike Apple's Chindipana, there are actually few interesting things in the box. A SIM ejector tool, a few stickers, and manual paperwork no one reads. Neat looking USB-C earphones. A USB-C to USB-C charging cable. A USB-C to USB Type A dongle for plugging pen drives. A USB-C to 3.5 mm headphone converter. And finally bundled is a fast charger. Now mind you, this phone also supports fast wireless charging. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. The fluorescent green colored power button is like really great to look at. I personally love it, and obviously it is perfectly functional. That's the volume rocker, a microphone on the top, a single camera with flash, fingerprint reader, and the Google logo at the back. This single camera does all the gimmicks which other multi-camera phones do, so just cheers to Google. USB Type-C and SIM card tray at the bottom, and there's nothing on the left side. That's the front-facing dual camera setup, and it also has a front-firing stereo speaker setup, which is simply awesome. Now let's boot up the phone for the first time and rush through the setup process. And here we go. The screen this time around is made by Samsung, and unlike the Pixel 2, this screen is awesome. Being a Samsung phone user myself, I already feel the vibes. There is no annoying notch on this phone as it's not a XL, and I seriously just cannot stand the notch. I just can't. I'm a no notch person, Yeah. The phone comes with Android 9 out of the box. Let's watch some videos and see how the screen looks. I mean, obviously, you have to watch it in person to get the right impressions, but anyways, let's just do it. This phone also has a squeeze feature which activates the Google Assistant. Now, I've tried using the call screening feature, but for some reason I just cannot view the call screen icon yet. Maybe it'll just get activated in the future. I'm really not sure why it's not working right now. And finally, these are some of the photos and videos which I shot using the Pixel 3. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, have a fantastic day. Okay, so this is a video sample shot from the Google Pixel 3. So I'm right now holding the phone in my hand and just trying to walk.